This is the A01 for Unlawful Dangerous Act Manslaughter that I just shortened to UDAM. Absolutely fine to do that in an exam. So just write, first of all, Unlawful Dangerous Act Manslaughter, brackets, UDAM. Trying to get this into, did I get it into 10 points? Yes, so 10 key points. Number 1, so remember you need A01 for an essay and a scenario question is worth 10 marks. 1. Involuntary manslaughter is where there is an unlawful killing of a human being under the Queen's peace with no malice aforethought. 2. There is a discretionary life sentence and the crime is defined in common law in the case of Larkin. Number 3. This is element 1. Defendant must commit an unlawful act. This must be a positive act, not an omission, low. It must also be a criminal act and not a civil wrong. That's the case of Franklin. Number 4, if there is no unlawful act, there is no UDAM, lamb. Number 5, the unlawful act can be directed at another person through transferred malice, which is Mitchell, or it can be directed to property, which is Goodfellow. Point 6. Element 2, the unlawful act must be dangerous. Dangerous comes from the Church test and is defined as would a sober and reasonable person foresee the risk of some harm. Point 7, harm means physical harm. However, if the victim is old or frail, then harm can include fear. That's the case of Watson. Point 8, this is element 3. The unlawful and dangerous act must have caused death. Factual causation, but for test, White or Paget. But for the defendant's actions, the end result would not have happened. Legal causation, defendant must play a significant part in the death. Significant means more than minimal, Kimsey. Point 9, there must be no intervening acts which break the chain of causation. For example, bad medical treatment breaks the chain, Jordan. If the victim injects themselves with drugs, this breaks the chain because of free will, Kennedy. Examples where the chain isn't broken, refusing medical treatment or having a pre-existing condition does not break the chain, Blau. And then finally, number 10, element 4, the defendant must have the mens rea for the unlawful act, Newbury and Jones.